Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to repost a video on X, formerly known as Twitter, without retweeting. Let's get started. Open the X app or visit the X website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, find the tweet containing the video you want to repost. It could be a funny clip, a tutorial, or anything you'd like to share. Once you've located the tweet with the video, tap on the share icon. This will open up the sharing options. In the sharing options, select Copy Link. This action copies the link to the tweet with the video to your clipboard. Now, tap on the plus icon to compose a new tweet on your profile. Add your caption or comments to go along with the video you're reposting. In the tweet composition box, paste the copied link by holding down the text box and selecting Paste. Once the link appears in your tweet, delete the characters up to the question mark, leaving only the numbers. Then, without any spaces, type /video/n1 at the end of the link. Now you can post your tweet. As you can see, the video we posted just now appears without any repost tag. However, you can see at the bottom that the video is attributed to the Twitter username of the original poster. That's how you can repost a video without retweeting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.